Land Rover Discovery modified by STARTECH. So as you can see, the grille is all blacked out, gloss black hood, or actually the car is two-tone with a black non-metallic finish above this line and then metallic gray finish down here. You can see cool, very nice, very aggressive front bumper styling. These huge black, those black wheels from STARTECH and cool British logo touch. In here, carbon fiber mirrors, STARTECH logo. Top of the car is black, except this part that continues with the color. Black out STARTECH logo and STARTECH refinement logo instead of the Land Rover logo. Here are the wheels right there, and again signature tail and again signature exhaust with cutouts and this interesting looking gloss black support bumper in this car. So let's try to get inside. Alright, so this car is locked, I can't get in it, but here how it looks. Let's take a look in the interior. The interior isn't modified though, it's just a standard Discovery Land Rover with modified exterior.